Hi, Pastor Charlie here from New Hope Lutheran Church with another edition of Pastor Charlie's Toolbox. So, today I've been thinking about royalty, and I've decided to make myself king of all I see here. Everything. What do I need to be king? Well, we'll start by making a crown. That's what a king needs. A king needs a crown on the head, yes. Okay, so we'll start with the best of crown material, cardboard, and I've already measured it out, to make sure it's going to work the way I want it to work. And now I use a bevel set to get those pointy things, and a Sharpie, of course. I need, I guess, about that angle there. Come on, Sharpie. Aha! We'll use a Sharpie, and we'll just draw out our angles here for those pointy things. Something like that. Okay, and then we'll use, what else do you work cardboard with but tin snips, right? So we'll just cut that. Come on! And we'll just, yeah, get rid of that. And there, you see, it's the start of my crown. And let me just get it over here. Okay, here we are, a crown. There. Ha-ha! I've got a crown. What else do I need to be king? I need a throne, and I've got one. Check out this beauty. Hey? Huh? Yeah? So, I've got a throne to sit on, and, I'm feeling more kingly already. And, of course, I made a little table here for my royal scepter. Here we go. Because I need a scepter, because sometimes I get a little explosive. So, I need this. And, hey, look at me. I am now a king. I'm a king. I even have my royal Mega Yenga set. And you know how these work. You take the block out carefully and so you don't knock them down. And now I can play against anybody because I'm king. And I think I'll pull out that one right there. Oh, well, I won. Because I'm king. I won. What else do I do as king? Oh, yes, I give orders. Servant! Servant! Bring me my hammer. Where is my royal hammer? Servant! I could get real good at ice fishing with this. Servant! Where is my hammer? I don't seem to have anyone around to take orders from me. So, apparently it takes more to be a king than just getting a crown and a throne and a scepter and giving orders. But isn't that how we look at people in power? Don't we envision them as, bossy and cranky? Our image of what a king is may be someone who only looks after themselves but doesn't really care about the people they reign over. And the problem with that kind of arrangement is that in the end, the so-called king can become a ruler of nothing. Absolutely nothing. Kind of like I am here. You know, I'm not so sure I'd make a very good king. God, however, offers us more in the way of a good king. God offers us Jesus as our king, which is something we celebrate on Christ the King Sunday. And the point of a good king is that people are looked after, perhaps even better than the king himself. So what makes for the best kind of king? Well, that would be someone who looks out for people, who protects them and cares about them equally so that everyone has an equal chance. And that's why in our lesson for today from Matthew 25, we find Jesus sticking up for those who are hungry, who are thirsty, who are alone, without clothing, those who are sick and in prison. Those are the people who are having the worst time in our society. And as followers of this king, really we should be doing whatever we can to help them. And Jesus tells us that whatever we are doing for the least in society, we are actually doing for him. You know, here in my garage, I may feel like a ruler, but without followers, what's the point? When I think about it, I can do and be so much more by following the King who cares about all people, and especially those who are most disadvantaged. May you do the same.